and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Kelly. Hi, if you're new, I'd love if you guys hit that subscribe button down below along with the little bell next to it. That way you can get notified the next time I upload my newest video. And today I'm going to be sharing with you guys a haul. I'm so excited because I got my Lilly Pulitzer after party sale stuff in the mail this week and I've been dying to share it with you guys. I did not get everything I ordered and I'll explain that when I open up that package, and I also got a few other little things in the mail as well, so I thought it'd be fun just to share it with you guys in one video, and I'm super excited about it. So be sure to give this video a big thumbs up if you guys enjoy hauls / unboxings, because I know I love watching them and I would love to know. But let's just get into it because I'm so excited. So the first thing that I got, and I actually have mentioned this in a few of my other videos, are some of these LISI LERCH earrings. And you guys, I'm obsessed with these. I've always just worn like my simple little stud earrings, but I got these dangly earrings and they're just so beautiful, you guys. So I got these really pretty gold like hoop earrings. I'm obsessed. I see these on Instagram all of the time. So many bloggers wear them, and these are actually clip-on earrings, so they're just like little clip-on posts, which are great if you don't have your ears pierced, but you can still wear them if you do have your ears pierced as well. That's what I've been doing. But I just think these are seriously so cute, and I got another pair and I am obsessed with these. I haven't styled them yet, but they're super cute, and they're just these really big earrings, and I just think they're so fun. I'm so excited to style them over on my Instagram. I've already worn these and I just think they're so darling. I'm just so excited to add these to my jewelry collection. I think they're so beautiful. I will have them listed down below if you guys want to check them out, along with LISI LERCH's Instagram, because she posts so many fun pictures all the time, so definitely go check it out. And then I also got another pair of earrings sent in the mail, and these are from BRYNN HUDSON. I'll insert a picture of me wearing them because they're super cute. So they're like these really big like dangly earrings. I would show them with you guys, but I let my friend borrow them. But I just wanted to tell you guys that I got them. Again, the picture's right up there, but they're super cute. They're like these big white dangly earrings and they're just adorable. They're such a statement piece, and I'm so excited to keep styling them the rest of the year and everything. And so I also got this really fun package. I haven't opened it up yet, but on Tuesday on my Instagram we are doing a giveaway with this company, which I'm super excited because you have a chance to win the exact same thing I have. So it just came in this cute pink tissue paper with this big blue bow. You guys know I love pink, and it just has a little card that says Kelly. We're gonna open this up, and it says thank you from Ellie and O. We're so thrilled to be collaborating with you in the Preppy PJ Pajama Party. You guys, we're hosting a pajama party giveaway. I'm so excited, and it's gonna be so much fun. So Ellie O sent these to me on Instagram. They make seersuckered pajamas. They have a whole collection. You guys need to go check them out. But look how cute these are. So I got a pink seersucker pajama set, and I'm so excited. You guys might have seen these on Instagram already. I'm not sure when this video is going up, but be sure to go check out my Instagram and Ellie O's to enter our giveaway. I know a lot of my other Instagram preppy friends are hosting the same giveaway, so there's going to be, I think, 7 winners. So it's going to be super exciting. Go check them out. I am so excited about these PJs because I feel like every season you just need a new pair of PJs, and pink seersucker is so me. And the last thing I want to share with you guys is this package, and this is my Lilly Pulitzer after party sale package. So I have not opened it yet. I only cut the box open, but it's just this pink box, and I don't know why this has never happened to me before, but one of my items that I ordered did not come in the mail yet. I don't know if it's coming. I'm not really sure, because I ordered the swimsuit, like the one-piece pink and green swimsuit, and I'm so excited to bring that with me on vacation next year. So I hope it comes. I'm pretty sure I paid for it, so it might just be in another package. I'm not really sure, but I could not wait, and I wanted to share this with you guys because so many of you have been asking. And let me know if you guys got your Lilly Pulitzer after party sale package, because I'm curious. I feel like shipping was so weird this year. But I finally caved and bought a pair of the leggings, and they were so discounted. So these retail for $108. I think I paid like 60 bucks for them, and they're just so fun and colorful. I feel like this is going to be such a fun way to wear Lilly into the fall and winter. Like, I feel like with a chef shirt or something, this will be super cute and just so fun and bright and colorful. And I'm so excited because I've been getting so many requests to do a Lilly Pulitzer leggings lookbook. So if you want to see that, let me know in the comments down below. But I just never had a pair of Lilly Pulitzer leggings, and I'm so excited, and this print is just so colorful. The next thing I picked up was this sweater, and you guys, I saw this and I was like, this is seriously one of the cutest things I've ever seen. Toucan bird on it, and I didn't know it, but it's like pedazzly and sparkly, and you guys know I love sparkles and pedazzles. So this is super cute. I got this in a size small, and this retails for $128. I think I paid $30 for it. I love the material. The gray color is so perfect for fall. Oh, I'm so excited. This is just so extra, I feel like. It's just so fun. This is gonna be cute to layer. I'm so excited. This is seriously so adorable, you guys. I'm so excited. And the last thing that I got in my package is this little box. And it's so cute because it's so pink. And I bought this for my room. It's some styrofoam. And it is the Flamingo ring holder. It's so much bigger than I thought it would be, to be quite honest. So it's this little flamingo, and it's just like a fun colorful print on the bottom, and you put your rings on it. You can set your jewelry in it. I just thought this would be perfect because it adds a little splash of color to your room. And it was $14. I couldn't pass it up. It was so cute. But that is everything that I got in my Lilly Pulitzer after party sale so far. I'm just waiting on my swimsuit, which I don't know if that's coming. I'm still very unsure, but I hope it comes because I really like it. But that is everything in this haul. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Let me know in the comments down below which item was your favorite because I would love to know. And thank you so much for watching. You guys are awesome, and I'll see you very soon with my next video. Bye, guys!